Hello guys, today we are going to show you how to use Telegram app on two devices. So for this we have two devices. One is on the right side of the screen and the second one is on the left side of the screen. So let's move out to the device which is on the left side of the screen. What you have to do, simply open Play Store app. After it open, search in the search bar Telegram. So as you see, I already installed Telegram in my device, so I don't need to reinstall this. After the installation, tap on the icon open. Now type on start messaging. Now important thing here. First select your country. Now the important thing is write here the same number which you are already using on your second mobile. Like I used my this number, so I am writing the same number. So by this way the Telegram will send you the code on that number on which you are already using your Telegram account. So on my second mobile, which is on the right side of the screen, I am opening Telegram app. So I am writing the number here. After writing the number, type on OK, tap on yes, type on continue, allow. So now take a look on my right side mobile. Telegram send me a verification code. Now simply open this one. So the login code is 91785. Simply I will write this login code on my left hand mobile. So I am writing this on my left hand mobile. So as you see, now I am using Telegram on two devices with the same account. So by this way you can use your Telegram on two devices.